So I don't know what part of this video is going to come out first or whatever. Just maybe intros, maybe outro, who knows. But I got the exhaust put on, like I said in the whatever other video. There's been a couple complications, so I cannot finish filming the sound clips on that right now while I have this rental car. So what I will be doing is just throwing in the clip right here of the exhaust getting it put on, and hope you guys like it. I got a little sound clip in there. So all right guys, peace out.
Oh, no. Huh?
You want the cut, put 1-1.
I mean, you can do that if it'll look nice. Would it look nice?
Well, actually, you say that look nice. If you want the cut.
I like the black tips, but only if you can make it work.
But tell you, this works. Es el cambio. But you need cut, you want to put 1-1.
Ese queda bien.
If you could do it, yeah.
Yeah.
Same as this one, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so I just take however it
A
works.
little small, it's good.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
¿Dónde le cortamos? Aquí cortémoslo. Pon el wifi a ver, alza el wifi. Así podemos abrir, no hay problema. Más o menos por lo
¿Dónde vamos a poner el wifi ahí?
más ahí cortemos.
Oh, no turning back. See, that's a crush win, you can tell. That's a crush win.
Jala para acá.
This lifts up, right? This lifts up? Oh yeah.
Yeah, listen. This is it. Tráeme un rope.
Huh?
No, porque... No, allá, no hay...
It's like no going back. The exhaust is off now. The exhaust is off.
No, por eso le ponemos y dejamos.
In my opinion, I think they might have cut it too short, though, honestly. And these do come off. pipe. This is the exhaust pipe shelf right here.
Para mí es lindo salir de casa.
Where else you gonna see stuff like this except for an exhaust shop?
Confianza en el lazo. Y de eso nos alimentamos, de nuestra confianza y nuestro lazo. De eso se trata este viaje.
You get done this.
I'm the catalyst converter.
Okay. It's locked up or is it holding it?
No, the thing is really on the top of the change. It's not it's
Okay, okay.
something to do with it.
Rotors are good. The rotors are good. I just need to get better brake pads to mitigate some of that dust. Thanks. Lip is holding up pretty good. You can see I go fast. You see, got some. It's coming apart though. I will admit. Maybe I didn't put enough screws on it. Rocks are coming in the middle. That VRSF intercooler doing its thing. I'm gonna try to lift this up for better airflow though. Lift this up. I don't know. Maybe I need to bolt something in. We'll see when the bumper comes off the car. Thumbnail time. Didn't bring the camera. Just got my phone. So it's good, right? I hope it's good because you said it looked better. Of course, you gonna say it look better. Hey, you ain't gonna tell me it look trash.
You look good job. I give him a good tip.
Yeah. Hey, listen, I like it. Start it up and just rev it up a little bit. Hold on. Let me put it in. Let me just put it in sport. Hold on for a second. All right, you can go ahead and rev it up. You go ahead and rev it up. It sounds good. Oh, let me see. No, you come. Nice. It sounds totally different. I like it. Sounds deep. Oh. Woo. All right, fit this crap. Yeah. I'm selling that.
That is a lot of money.
Yeah, I know. I'm selling that for a lot of money. Well, not for a lot, but I'm gonna recoup all the money that you guys charge me with this. All right, guys, give me 1 second.